Hello and welcome to Tapo in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making oven baked chicken quarters. They are mouth-watering, juicy, delicious chicken. They are flavorful, budget-friendly, and perfect for baking. And you can serve it with whatever you like. I serve it with mashed potatoes and veggies, but no matter how, you will love it. So let's get started. So we're going to use 4 leg quarters, and then we're going to clean the chicken. By that I mean to remove the excess fat. And I'm going to use a knife to start removing the excess and try not to cut the meat itself. Okay, so now we're going to give the chicken a quick wash. We're going to use warm water to do so. Now let's start seasoning the chicken. We're going to add some lime juice and then we're going to add some red hot sauce. Then season with salt. And now we're going to add some black pepper mix. Add fresh garlic paste. And then we're going to add some seasoned salt. And now use your hands to marinate the chicken. Then we're going to transfer the chicken into a baking pan. And the marinated sauce, we're going to pour it over the chicken. Let's drizzle with some oil. And then we're going to cover the pot to start baking. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And then we're going to let it bake for 30 minutes. Chicken was baked for 30 minutes. Now we're going to remove it from the oven. And then we're going to want to bake it for another 10 minutes. Let's carefully move them to a baking rack and then we're going to return them to the oven. And then wash the chicken with any leftover sauce. from the baking pan. Chicken smell good, looking delicious, crispy, and ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, but I choose mashed potatoes and vegetables. And I hope you enjoy the recipe. Thanks for watching.